ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Hadirin ke jingmi ke Jingkynnoh pendan kam bakalau DGP ke jela ya ke number plate kali Menteri Ramba ke jela konrat ke sangma ula penpau baka an kalong kadjo ya Baroh. Habakeli bahadin dalam syokthaj unlai nyok syaka cakala jong. Konrat ula ong bahadin ke jingyo jing ujor ijahar ki pulit kila register kes bat ka kes kan yai beteng bat on online nak keti jong ka an.
We've been very clear from day one with every situation of law that we have come across that law is same for all, and therefore the law will take its course. Whatever the complaints have come in, the procedure has been followed, FIR has been registered, and investigation is on. Number one point, I'm not saying that it is or it is not. I don't know about that. I don't want to comment about the fact that what the DG has said. It has its personal level. I don't want to comment on that at all. As I said, for us, it's very simple that when a complaint comes, every FIR is a proper case, and as per the law, whatever has to be done, and as per the rules, what has to be done will be followed, irrespective of who the person is. No, the FIR is lodged and FIR has already been registered, so the case will continue. The investigation will continue. There's no retirement doesn't affect that.